Bad little flex, she wanna know. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Keke, and I know I always talk about my fucking lashes, but I feel like I just feel like really without them, and that's the problem with lashes. I got used to getting them, and now when I see myself without them, I'm like, do I even have eyes? They're just in the back of my head. What's up, son?
Hi.
Say hi to my beautiful people. So you don't mind my hair. It's all my lip glosses stacked right there. But anyways, so don't mind my hair. Mommy's about to wash it. Mommy took the braids out. Yes. Yes. What's up? Yeah, because mommy I'm about to condition it, and I'm about to wash it for my baby. I washed it last night, but oh my god, look at your mouth. You got milk all over it. Uh-oh.
Milk?
Say, I'm still handsome.
Handsome.
Good boy.
Car.
Even though my hair look crazy.
Car.
Uh-oh. Say, my hair looks crazy.
Rain?
Yeah, crazy hair. Anywho, so right now I just got, as you would have seen just then, I just got done replying to some of your comments. I just want to give Kyree, your iPad's kind of loud, bro.
Loud?
Yeah, it's loud.
Loud?
Yeah, why is it so loud?
No.
It is loud.
Loud?
Anywho, I just got done replying to some of you guys' comments. I just want to say thank you. Oh, wow. Kyree trying to do a takeover. You look like The Weeknd with that crazy hair. I just want to say thank you guys so much for the love and support. You guys welcomed me back with open arms, and I cannot thank you guys enough for that. So yeah, guys, so right now I just got done, like I said, replying to the comments, and now I'm about to actually go ahead and order some more inventory for my business. As you guys would have known, I have a business, a new business that I'm opening and launching some point. I don't want to give a date because bits and bobs, like with COVID and stuff, it's a little bit delayed in getting some like inventory and products and stuff that I need for my brand. So I don't want to give a date, but I know it will definitely be in the next couple of weeks or max month. So so I'm gonna drop Kyree off, go get my lashes done, potentially get my hair done, and then I've got work tonight. So it's gonna be a productive day, right? Right. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. He's never too far. Like, he's literally just sitting here watching his iPad, but he's like,
Pet.
yeah.
Mommy?
No, that's not mommy. Everyone that's a girl,
Mommy?
yes, I'm mommy, but everybody that's a girl is not mommy.
Huh?
Yeah, yesterday, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that my son called me Fiona.
Mommy?
He called me Princess Fiona
Mommy?
from Shrek.
Mommy?
He was pointing to the TV and Princess Fiona was on the TV. He's like, mommy? I was like, it be your own kids. Bria just got done doing my hair. This is all my natural hair, you guys. You see this? She pressed it out to make it look like it's 50 inches. Not really, but you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Guys, this is the woman. This is the one behind this magic right here. I'm gonna leave all the information down below and on the screen. So. This probably looks like absolute crap, but listen. I gotta start eating better. Oh my God. That's so good. If you guys try that concoction, please let me know. I'm actually putting a little bit of garlic powder on there. Look at it. So much flavor. Lemon, salt, pepper. Tahini, baby. Get yourself a nice little snack. All right. I guess I'll go ahead and get ready for work. I'm so tired. I'm gonna make a coffee. Hi, so I'm ready for work and I'm drinking a coffee because I'm so so good. So hopefully this wakes me up a little bit because I'm so freaking sleepy, and you know, you need to have a lot of energy with my type of job that I do. I'm a bottle girl. So yeah guys, this is the makeup for today. Regular ass shit. So I'm gonna be there by 9 o'clock. It's 8:45, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave out the house right now. But yeah. All right, guys. In the Uber on our way. Where are we going, ladies?
The wine festival, Uncorked Wine Festival, and it's so sunny outside.
How far away is it?
It is, I think, 20 minutes or 15 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad. I don't know why I thought it was like an hour.
Me too.
Yeah.
Oh, no, Decatur seems so far away.
It does.
But I guess it's not. We're going to get there at 1:15. It's 12:45. Is that?
Oh, half an hour, girl.
Oh, 30 minutes. That sounds about right.
So, yeah, I was like, yeah. We're going on a road trip, basically.
Yeah.
And
basically.
I'm excited, so we'll see you guys there.
Are you serious? It looks so sturdy.
I know. Alright, well, I don't care too much. I'm gonna take some.
Dropping on this wine, Texas up in this thing. Put you up on this game. I be bumping my friend. Gang, gang, I mean hype. Write my name in ice. I ain't arguing with these lazy basics. I just raise my price.
Don't know how to do this, so we gotta sit this one out. So go get
outside, but it is so sunny. Hey guys. Oh. Okay. Hey guys. So today's Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday today. So I'm gonna head to a sports bar, and I don't know why my camera's foggy. Hold on. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna head to a sports bar today, and I'm gonna go with my friend Jen and Keisha that you saw me with yesterday. So I'm gonna go watch the game, even though I don't know the first thing about a game, but hey, I'm gonna pretend I'm gonna cheer when everybody else cheers, and we're gonna fake it, okay? So that's what I'm getting ready to do. They headed to my house now. As you guys know, Jen lives in my complex, and her roommate Keisha is the one that's gonna be joining us. And yeah, so they're just gonna walk to my house, and then I'm gonna call the Uber, and I'm gonna have good food and good vibes, and then it's time to go back to mommy mode after this. So I enjoyed my weekend. I didn't work yesterday. I called off, even though I could have gone into work, but I don't know. I had a good day on Friday, so I was like, you know what? I mean, more money is always nice, but I was really feeling like being with my friends and shit, so that's what I did. And yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. And I'm gonna eat a banana because I'm kind of hungry and stuff. So, oh, I ordered more, sorry about this terrible angle, but I ordered more inventory for silk today. So not only will I be having the glosses, I have another exciting product, 2 more exciting products coming out, which I will not reveal right now. But just know I ordered the packaging for it. Sorry, I'm really not talking with my mouth full. You guys can look at my eyes. I ordered the packaging for it, so it should be here in about maybe like 3 weeks or something. That little short bit is pissing me off as usual, but I just did like a messy, oh shit, did I just run banana through my hair? I just did like a messy, wavy, blah blah to my hair, nothing crazy. All right, I will see you at the sports bar. Bye. This is the best bar I've ever seen. I know.
I literally said it when I went there. Y'all didn't hear me. I said his bar is better than the club.
I think now that I think about it,
Is it yummy? Hey guys, so I don't know why the lighting's like, I don't know why the lighting's kind of blue. Kyree, say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing going through mommy's drawers? What are you doing? Can you close my drawer, please? Guys, my junk drawer was once organized. I recently organized it, but this one be doing little things he's not supposed to be doing. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi.
What's new?
Hi.
Nothing's new for me. Your girl's just making spaghetti sauce, but guess what? I'm not eating it with spaghetti. I'm gonna actually eat it with zucchini noodles because, I mean, you can't really tell. Oh, don't mind the nips. You can't really tell, but kind of gained a little bit of weight. So I lost it when I had complained about it a couple months ago, and I lost it. Don't know how, probably stress. And then your girl gained it all back. So it's time to get rid of it again. My butt looks good. I'm proud of my butt, but once I lose this weight, it's going to I'm definitely going to lose my footy. So anyways, my little baby's just over there eating. Say hi. Who's texting me? Hope it's somebody I care about. So, not me saying I want to lose weight, but I'm over here eating hot Cheeto fries. Anyway, so I just got done cleaning, restocked my fruits, cooking dinner. I did want to show you guys my little Target haul that I just got. So I'm gonna show you guys my little Target haul. It's like 4 things, but still gonna show you. Is that microwave gonna keep doing that? Boo-boo, you eating your dinner?
Yeah.
Kyree got the noodles with it, but me, Mama Keke. Oh shit, I really fell off this damn chair. Okay, so first thing I got, start with the boring. Light bulbs. Oh, light bulbs.
Mommy.
Yes. Light bulbs, nothing special. Starbucks cup. I really like drinking cold water ever since I got my filter, my water filter. So it's just so pretty. So I just want to see how much water. I know I bought that big, if you watch my last vlog, I bought that big, like that big gallon one, but it just, I could have like, it's just too obnoxiously big, you feel me? So this one, I feel like I can keep like refilling it. Like I can see it's empty and it's easy to hold. It fits in my car, cup holder, whatever. Kyree wanted Cheetos, so I got him the regular Cheetos. Kyree also got some trucks. But I picked this up. This is a little, like a letterboard with letters. This is just so for silk, if I don't want to, like my brand, if I want to like, you know, do a little announcement, I can just take a little picture on there. Just, I don't know, something creative.
Right.
Excuse me, hold on, mommy's talking. And then,
Mommy.
cute little,
Mommy. Look.
these are fridge magnets. How freaking cute. Like what? From Kylie's baby shower. Like I just showed you, my cousin saved the date, whatever I need for groceries. My friend Ashley, she works at my job when I was on Wild 'N Out, and my best friend Jennifer. My money bag, my $100 bill. Magnet, this is one of my favorite magnets. Friends is my favorite TV show. This is also my, like, this is also Friends, so yeah, it's very me, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and,
Hi.
all right guys, I'll catch you in a second. Okay, taste test. This is definitely not my first time having zucchini noodles, but I look a little bit like an oily mess. I put my lotion on my face. It's just kind of greasy, low-key. Want chips?
Yeah. Hi.
I wanted to show you guys a product before I go ahead and tap out for the night. You guys, I'm sure you guys already know Kyree on YouTube. She had posted this on her story, and it's by this brand called Fur, and I guess it's really good for you know, ingrown hairs or just overall skin nourishment or something. So especially like if for those that save and do get a little bit of ingrowns, like I don't really get ingrowns for real, but I just like after I shave. Kyree, I know baby. My son is ready for bed too. I don't know guys, check it out. I've been loving it. I shaved. I don't get Brazilians or anything, so I shave and it's kind of feeling nice and smooth and stuff. I mean, it's always kind of, it's never, I'm not too hairy, but it feels even softer. So that's that. And then this lip mask I've been loving lately. This one's on Amazon. I love it. It comes with this little like silicone applicator like this. It's a sleep mask.
Hi.
It makes my lips feel really soft. Good morning. So today is Wednesday actually. This week's kind of going by fast. You guys know the drill. Drinking my coffee. Kyree has this thing now where he thinks he's drinking coffee because he sees mommy doing it, so he wants it too. Obviously, I'm not gonna give my child coffee. He's over there sipping his coffee on his little couch. I don't know why he dragged the blanket on the floor, but Kyree, what you drinking? Coffee, right? And he's watching his little TV show. I'm about to work on the website for Silk, and I gotta run some errands today. And I don't know what I want to cook for dinner. I might do chicken. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and upload the files for this vlog so I can get started on editing it, because I think I got enough footage for a vlog now. It might not be an hour long, but at least it's something. So our plan is to at least upload like once a week, at least, minimum. So yeah. All right guys, well, I will see you in a little bit. So I just heated up this egg witch thing, and I've never had to heat something up so many freaking times in my life to get it to be hot. And I hope it's good. I hope it's good. Yeah, it's good. I'm just like, damn. The instructions say 1 minute. I swear I did for like 6 minutes. Ooh, now it's really hot. I took it out like 3 times. It was still frozen at the top. but it's really good. So I'm trying to cut carbs, as I mentioned yesterday. So I'm sure this will help me out. It feels like a sandwich, like the way the egg is made, it feels like bread. I'm gonna learn how to make these because these were expensive. These were like $7 for like 4, or maybe $8 for 4 patties. 4 egg sandwiches, whatever. So, I'm gonna learn how to make it, but it's really good though. I would definitely recommend. I put sriracha on mine. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. I'm just eating
Boo boo. Hi.
okay, so eating pickles, salami,
Mommy.
and nibbling on cheese.
Cheese?
Ghetto charcuterie board, but my baby likes it. I love it. I'm drinking some water. I'm actually about to go ahead and start editing this vlog that you're watching right now. And so yeah, I'm gonna close out the vlog right here, and I guess I will talk to you guys in my next vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
Bye. Yeah.